If you're installing a swing, yoga seat, or any hanging setup, these heavy-duty swing hangers offer serious peace of mind. I recently received this set from the brand to try out, and here's how they performed. Right out of the box, they feel solid and extremely well built. Each set includes the mounting screws and bolts you need, and the sleek black finish looks clean whether you're using them indoors or outdoors. I installed them for a porch swing, and the setup was pretty straightforward. Just drill, anchor, and tighten. One thing to know ahead of time, you'll need an 11/16-inch drill bit and a socket to get the job done right. Once mounted, they hold firm, no wobble, no creaks. With over 5,000 pounds of rated capacity, these hangers are built to support everything from playground sets to yoga swings and trapeze bars. Whether you're building a backyard, play space, or a relaxing hangout spot, these hangers combine strength, simplicity, and long-term durability.